Welcome to Scout News Stuff tutorial on how to change your Facebook password. Keeping your online accounts secure is essential, and changing your password regularly is one way to do that. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of changing your Facebook password. Step 1. Log into Facebook. The first step is to log into your Facebook account using your current password. Go to www.facebook.com and enter your email address or phone number and your current password. Click Login. Step 2. Access account settings. Once you're logged in, click on the profile icon in the upper right corner of the Facebook page. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then choose Settings. Step 3. Security and Login. In the left-hand menu, you'll see various options. Look for Security and Login, and click on it. Step 4. Change password. On the Security and Login page, you'll see a section labeled Login, with an option to change password. Click on Change Password. Step 5. Verify your identity. Facebook will ask you to verify your identity by entering your current password again. Enter it, and then click Continue. Step 6. Create a new password. Now, it's time to create your new password. It's crucial to use a strong password to enhance your account's security. A strong password typically includes a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information like your name or common words. Once you've created your new password, Facebook will indicate its strength. Make sure it's marked as strong or very strong before proceeding. Step 7. Save changes. After you've created a strong new password, click the Save Changes button. Facebook will notify you that your password has been changed successfully. Step 8. Log back in. Now that your password is changed, you'll need to log in again using your new password to access your Facebook account. Congratulations! You've successfully changed your Facebook password. Remember to keep your password secure and don't share it with anyone. It's also a good practice to change your password periodically to keep your account safe. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.